Everyone wants a bigger audience. But the real question is, have you built something worth being heard before you ask everyone to listen? My name is Sabine Kvenberg and welcome to the Invisible Stage Daily, your space to grow behind the curtain so you can shine with confidence when it counts. If this episode speaks to you, of course, we like if you hit the like and subscribe button and share it with someone who could benefit from this episode. We live in a world that celebrates reach. More followers, more views, more likes, more eyes on me. But visibility without substance is fragile. A bigger spotlight doesn't make you better. It just makes you more exposed. If you haven't done the invisible work, clarifying your message, strengthening your skills, aligning your values, more attention can actually create more pressure, more confusion, and more insecurity. Build before you broadcast. That means before you chase followers, build your voice. Before you promote your offer, build your expertise. Before you go all in on being seen, build your alignment with what you stand for. Your invisible stage is your training ground. It's where you test your stories, refine your message, and practice how you want to show up. Learn what feels authentic and what doesn't. The people you admire didn't just appear polished one day. They put in countless unseen hours. Writing, practicing, failing, adjusting, learning, repeating. So when the moment came, when they did get the stage, the platform, the interview, the visibility, they were ready because they had built something real beneath it. If you rush to be seen before you are rooted, you become dependent on external validation. If you build first, broadcasting simply becomes an extension of who you already are. All right? And that doesn't mean to be perfect. That doesn't mean to wait until you be perfect. What I'm talking about is practicing behind the curtain, working on things that you want to say before you say it out loud in front of the camera, right? But then don't wait to be perfect. And even if you have a blooper, I have bloopers. So what? That makes you more human. So here is your challenge for today. Ask yourself one question. What do I need to build before I ask people to look? Is it your clarity, your story, your offer, your skill set, your confidence? Then choose one of these. Spend about 10 to 15 minutes refining your message. Practice your introduction out loud. Map out what you truly want to help people with. And I do this constantly. Even this morning, I'm working on this. What is it? What is my product? What is my service? I'm refining it, right? Why am I doing it? I'm refining it. Who do I serve? I am refining it. And even though I've been doing this for many years, it always gets better and better and better. And then another thing you can do is record a video just for yourself. Not to post, but to practice. And who knows, maybe it's so good that you want to post it, right? But at least you have no pressure, no performance pressure. Just building, just practicing. When you honor the build, the broadcast becomes natural. Don't be in such a hurry to be seen that you skip becoming solid. Do the work in the dark so when the light finds you, you are ready. Remember, master the moments no one sees to lead the moments everyone remembers. If this episode resonated with you, please like, subscribe, or write a comment. Share it with someone who's ready to build something real behind the scenes. Until the next time, always remember, follow your heart, serve from the heart, follow your passion, and live the life you imagine.